While scrolling on TikTok, I came across this video. And it was aftermath of Hurricane Helene videos. I don't know why I searched it. I guess because one of my clients at work said there's no way that you can comprehend the devastation that's happening in our country right now. In the video that I saw, it was a man and a woman on a roof, and it said that this was the last photo of them ever taken because their roof collapsed and they were killed. They drowned along with their grandchild. I'm from Florida. I've been through hurricanes my whole life. I was born here. And I've seen some pretty devastating things. I've been through Charlie and I've been through Ian. I've never seen anything like this. My heart is with these people. And I'm praying. And I hope that you pray too. And our government needs to step the fuck up and stop sending money to other countries and start helping your fucking people. We're dying here. There's people dying everywhere. And all you care about is other countries and whatever. I swore that I'd never get on TikTok and cry, but I'm very humbled. And if this video of me crying and showing you guys real emotion is enough for you to get down on your knees and say a prayer for those people who need it, then it's worth it. So please, pray for them. I'm praying for them.